Sahih al-Bukhari 3351, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered the Kaba and found in it the pictures of Prophet Ibrahim and Mary. On that he said, "What is the matter with them, i.e. Quraysh? They have already heard that angels do not enter a house in which there are pictures, yet this is the pictures of Ibrahim. And why is he depicted as practicing divination by arrows?" Sahih al-Bukhari 3352, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw pictures in the Kaba, he did not enter it till he ordered them to be raised. When he saw the pictures of Ibrahim and Ismail carrying the arrows of divination, he said, "May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala curse them," i.e. the Quraysh. By Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, neither Ibrahim nor Ismail practiced divination by arrows. Sahih al-Bukhari 3353, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the people said, "O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, who is the most honorable amongst the people in Allah's sight?" He said, "The most righteous amongst them." They said, "We do not ask you about this." He said, "Then Yusuf, Allah's prophet, the son of Allah's prophet, the son of Allah's prophet, the son of Allah's Khalil, i.e. Ibrahim." They said, "We do not want to ask about this." He said, "Then you want to ask about the descent of the Arabs, those who were the best in the pre-Islamic period of ignorance, will be the best in Islam, provided they comprehend the religious knowledge." Sahih al-Bukhari 3354, narrated Samura radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Two persons came to me at night in dream and took me along with them. We passed by a tall man who was too tall that I was not able to see his head, and that person was Ibrahim." Sahih al-Bukhari 3355, narrated Mujahid radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that when the people mentioned before Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha that the Dajjal would have the word kafir, i.e. unbeliever, or the letter kafir, the root of the Arabic verbs disbelieve, written on his forehead, I heard Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha saying, "I did not hear this, but the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you want to see Ibrahim, then look at your companions, i.e. the Prophet, but Musa's was a curly-haired brown man who used to ride a red camel, the reins of which was made of fairs of date palms, as if I were now looking down a valley." Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.